Mastering Clarity and Conciseness in Presentations. Welcome everyone to today's lecture on Mastering Clarity and Conciseness in Presentations. Clarity and conciseness are essential components of effective communication, especially in presentations where time is limited and audience attention is precious. This session will explore the importance of clarity and conciseness and strategies to enhance these skills in your presentations. Understanding clarity and conciseness. Clarity refers to the quality of being clear, understandable, and unambiguous, while conciseness involves expressing ideas succinctly and without unnecessary detail. Together, they ensure that your message is conveyed efficiently and effectively to your audience. Importance of clarity and conciseness in presentations. Clear and concise presentations have several benefits. Enhanced understanding. Clarity helps your audience grasp your message quickly and accurately, reducing the risk of confusing or misinterpretation. Maintain interest. Conciseness keeps your audience engaged by delivering information in a focused and efficient manner, preventing boredom or overload. Professionalism. Clear and concise presentations demonstrate professionalism and respect for your audience time, enhancing your credibility as a presenter. Improved retention. Presenting information in a clear and concise manner increases the likelihood that your audience will remember key points long after the presentation has ended. Strategies for achieving clarity and conciseness. Let's explore some practical strategies to incorporate clarity and conciseness into your presentation. Know your audience. Tailor your content to the needs and interests and knowledge level of your audience to ensure relevance and clarity. Use language and terminology that your audience can easily understand, avoiding unnecessary jargon or technical terms. Structure your content. Organize your presentation in a logical and coherent manner, with a clear introduction, main body, and conclusion. Use headings, bullet points, and visual aids to break up information and make it easier to digest. Focus on key messages. Identify the key message or main points you want to convey and prioritize them in your presentation. Avoid including extraneous information or tangents that distract from your main message. Use clear language. Choose words and phrases that are simple, precise, and unambiguous to ensure clarity. Define any unfamiliar terms or concepts to prevent confusion among your audience. Practice brevity. Be concise in your speech and avoid unnecessary repetition or verbosity. Aim to convey your messages in as few words as possible without sacrificing clarity or completeness. Rehearsal and edit. Rehearse your presentations multiple times to identify areas where clarity or conciseness can be improved. Edit your content ruthlessly, eliminating any redundant or irrelevant information to streamline your message. Conclusion. Clarity and conciseness are essential for delivering impactful presentations that resonate with the audience. By prioritizing clarity, structuring your content effectively, and practicing brevity, you can ensure that your message is understood and remembered long after the presentation is over. The next lecture will discuss feedback mechanisms in presentation. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.